Rust-Oleum has offered trusted quality and performance in specialty coatings for over 100 years. Now we bring you Rust-Oleum EnviroSHIELD. Innovative solutions made for the restoration professional. Created with heavy-duty professional-grade formulas to restore disaster-damaged surfaces. EnviroSHIELD represents better technology, better performance, at the right price. EnviroSHIELD offers a wide variety of products specifically designed to encapsulate odors and block severe stains from fire and smoke. Properly prep the surface before applying any EnviroSHIELD products. Rust-Oleum EnviroSHIELD Oil-Based 7000 dries fast and has great one-coat coverage. For mold-damaged surfaces, use Rust-Oleum EnviroSHIELD mold-resistant coatings. EnviroSHIELD mold-resistant coatings come with a 10-year mold and mildew warranty and actively work to resist mold and fungus on the coating film. EnviroSHIELD mold-resistant clear comes with a UV tracer to ensure full coverage. Whatever the problem, Rust-Oleum EnviroSHIELD has a solution. Check out the entire EnviroSHIELD line for all your specialty coating needs.